Okay, so I'm sharing this my screen. Is my screen visible?
No, it's not shared, I think.
That's shared right now. Okay. So here is our this is our FuelMatrix. It has also Android app and website.
Okay.
So and here are the languages. Multiple languages options are here available. Currently, I have checked for that Kenya language. Currently, that is not available. So we will add that if possible.
Okay.
Yeah, and here is the like registration. You can do the email ID or phone number, and it's just simple. You have to enter this detail, but I will sign in the another account that already existed. Okay, this is a basic uh, complete view of the account, and here they will get to know the summary, daily summary of the what is the sales has been done, and this has also the same as you told me that earlier. We should require 24 hours one shift. This account has also one shift. I will
No, I said I think
just
8 hour shift is needed. In 24 hours,
okay.
maybe 2 or 3 people attending the pump.
Okay, no issues. Here is the option that whatever shifts, how many shifts you want to create, you can create that 6 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, 24 hours. And also, if you want to take attendance multiple times, it will also take that time. If you want to set up the custom shift, that you can also do that here. Here is the
And
shift
overtime.
configuration. Yeah, for overtime, like he currently not added actually. We need to work on that. Yeah. So for the
Yeah,
overtime, generally what? Sorry.
yeah.
From
So
here
for
you can.
overtime, like more than 8 hours, somebody's working, and then it
Mhm.
has to be considered as a overtime.
Yeah, sure. We will update that into code then if required that.
So where is the payment for the shift created?
Payment.
Yeah, is there how you are
Uh,
setting up the payment for the shift?
okay. Yeah, okay, sure. First, before that, I will show you how to set up that. Okay.
Yeah. Give me
And
the demo first. Okay.
yeah, sure. Yeah. First thing is that when you set up the shift configuration now, that is what is the shift, how many shifts you have to first is set up. And currently we are using this in India. And you have UPI and card machines for. Also, there is a one another thing, cash frequency. That is how many times you are going to take the payments from employees from that duration of that, maybe one time or two time, like the cash they are holding. That frequency is here, and for them, whatever the currencies or any digital payment app may be required, we will change here. That also we will add that option too. And here is the another option that allow employee
So
to add
when
closing
you
limit.
say UPI, are you
Hmm.
collecting money on the employee's account or fuel station account?
No, we are not connecting directly to that. We are just adding the UPI account, like name to enter the to do the entries here. Like for example, here is the like Rohit UPI, maybe or what is that phone pay or like Google Pay, like that. We are just adding. It will add one column into the sheet or so in database that can easy to track.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And another thing is here that we have added allow employee to add closing meter. Like it means we are not available, owner is not available on the pump. Then they can like we both are working on the pump. Then I can transfer whatever the my closing meter is there. I will close that and hand over to you. So employee have like owner has to just verify it like that.
Yeah. So meter reading or tank reading will be done by different rules. For example, supervisor will do the entry, not the employees.
Yeah. Yes, it's like its option is added here. It's that is only for the nozzle. Whatever the nozzle assigned to them, that only they can allow. Sometimes some petrol pump has this requirement, so we added this option. But it is not compulsory. So if you don't want to allow them, you don't have to just do anything. Nothing. It will work fine. So here is the another option that next step is to add products. Like whatever the products you want to add, you can add here. Just simply you have to add the product name, like kerosene, or and how much margin you are getting per liter. Like maybe 2 rupees or 5 rupees something. And if you don't have active that product, you can just simply tick mark here and save it. And even if sometimes margin got changed, so simply you have to click here and just enter, and it will change. And while changing it, now currently today is 22 June 2026. Whatever the previous calculations are there, previously it was a 2 rupees. So all the previous calculations until 21 June, it will happen by 2 rupees. And whatever the next calculations are coming, that will happen to 2.20 paise rupees. Like so, there will be no any calculations mismatch will happen. Then second,
Any reason why HSD is repeating?
HST is repeating. Actually, that was for the just for the testing purpose. There is no any. There is a like actually previously it was added as a unique product, but there are some issues are happening. That's why we allowed that multiple copied entries should be allowed. That's why that here we just did that. Okay. Do you have any queries in this?
No, I think there should be some unique constraint rather than adding HSD twice, right?
Yeah, it has an ID. Unique IDs are there for the per product, but it's
name has to be unique. You can't have HSD added twice.
Yeah, sure. I get your concern. Definitely, we will figure out what we can do for. Yeah. And it's up to you. Like you can just simply disable it. It will won't show you in the list. Okay. Then next is the like adding the nozzles. Like when you are adding the nozzle, then simply like there will be the like nozzle meter one, and meter one as might be nozzle one. And what was the previous closing meter? You can enter here, and then you can add the product here. Which product do you want to add that into that, and it will get added into this. So, like this, and previous closing meter was like maybe like if we are giving to that petrol pumpers, there might be some sales previously happened, so we have to carry forward that. That's why here is the closing meter. So we have to just click on the submit. It will add this meter. And another thing is here also same. You can do the like simply disable. It won't show you in the transaction page. And here is a no delete option is available because in India meters are not allowed to delete, or they are not allowed to erase that entry. And if there is any machine like fault or default happen, then they simply replace the machine. That happens. And then next is our we have to add the employees. So we can add the here employee, their name, their username, password. So they can also enter their entry from their side, and their salary. So we can calculate according to their attendance and their joining date. If you this is are the optional field. If you don't add, there will nothing happen. And also the like key here are the some roles that cashier, cleaner, air boy, manager, shift in charge or manager, CA, and employees. And according to their role, they have limited access to access. And here also the shift option, like how much shift you want to assign them. And then we have added this. Then next is like we have to add the transactions now. Whatever the daily happening, that tank. Currently this has a like this state, HST rate, how many HST rate, EMS rate, 2 days rates, test rate, power rate, and kerosene rate. And this is a tank dips here. These are the tank, how much petrol, diesel are there in the tank, maybe 1,000 or 80,000. Here you can see all the meters are here added. And another thing that you already mentioned, that if what if any employees does the overtime, or maybe there is one another concern, like if, for example, this we assign this all meters to the D, and maybe D left in the afternoon, or maybe he don't want to do the work on this meter, then we can simply add the here meter and assign the which meter they have to assign to another person, and it will assign to another person. So simply we will add here the closing meter, and this should be the greater than value of this opening meter. Only that after that he can take the entries, and it will calculate do all the calculation happening here, like what is the sales happening by the meter. And there is one another thing, testing are happening on the petrol pump to test the how much fuel is there, like to maintain the quality, like if there is someone coming from the government to the ensure is the quality is right or not. So for this, by default there is 5 liters, but if sometimes they might be take 10 liters, so they can edit it, and whatever the cost, and according to that day it will calculate. So it will automatically do the calculations, so we don't have to do the anything like in this. And if you don't want to assign, then simply you can click it, and we can save this data. And now this assigned to the employee D, and now employee D will do one thing, that he will just go to the our portal or app, maybe whatever he will, and he will click on the login. He will do the his login, and now he has to give us that's complete report about the how much pricing is gone. Like here is also the geofencing option is also added. So like if employees available on the pump or not, it will track that. And now this is the all complete calculation. He has to give us calculation of this 1,180 rupees, and here total this is a not editable for him, but he can edit the like how much money he received from maybe 100 rupees from Google Pay, or maybe something like another 500 rupees from card, and some another thing is in the shift from maybe like has been received like 200 rupees in cash. It will, and this is unlocked right now. And if anything he has been given on the credit to the any employee, then also it will show here, and all the data you can save. And if you want to give the any credit has been given by that employee to the any client, then simply you can search their client vehicle number or anything like by name number, and they can add here automatically how much vehicles are available list will be pop up there. Currently only one vehicle is available, and this is a 100 rupees sale. If there is any slip number is available, they can enter from the machine. And here is also like we have added this credit card like system if they want to, and if they don't want, it is up to their, it's up to owner, and what is the previous pending credit. And also here if they want like proof, like yeah, is that real or not, they can want to add the image, then they can add the image also here, and that is optional. And then now here is the like credit type, and then fuel type, what is the fuel that they have given, HSD, diesel or petrol, and that liters according to that amount, how much amount they have added here, liter, how much that has been cost. And if they want to edit in the liters also, they can edit also this into liters. This transaction has been added now, and Now all this has been now changed, and this we can see still there is a 118 rupees, 88 rupees is still missing. They have to now calculate this, and if they have done any expenses by themselves, like they have taken any office expenses or like maybe employee expenses or their salary, advance salary or other things. Maybe if he has taken 188 rupees advance salary from that, we can save that too. Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, needs to check for this is not taken. Like that we can add here, and if there is any general credit, like someone there are some credits are happening, they say we do tomorrow, just submit us some cash or lend us something. Like this happens, and if anything wrong goes, then he can employee can do the changes before the happening, editing this all these details. Now we will go to the admin panel. This is the owner account, and now owner will see all the shipped details are here. Now this is on the today's date. How much by default it's has been taken as 22 days. If you want to do the backdated entry, that is also possible. So here we can see all the calculations are right or not. We can directly jump to the variation. Like we can see 188 rupees is variation, and we are still want to do it edit anything from here our side. Now yeah, we can enter that. Yeah, this is was the entry not happened. We can do the change. And another thing, there is a one thing that this owner is taking for.
So
Yes.
one thing, I need to drop off for another call. Is it
Okay.
possible to continue the call after or tomorrow the same time?
Yeah, sure. Tomorrow maybe I will be outside, but yeah, if possible, we will do them. And
Or
I will just
maybe-
look to
Maybe 8:30. The other call has started. 8:30 or
Okay.
8. Is that okay?
today.
Yeah, today 8:30.
Okay, I will inform 30 minutes before because I have also another meeting offline, so I have to go there. So I will inform 30 minutes before. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Or
Okay
else
then.
we will. Yeah, and I will just. Can I take 2 minutes of you?
Actually, other call is starting. I need to attend that call as well.
Sure. Yeah, okay. We will discuss then after that. Okay.
Okay then. See you then. Bye.
That's perfect. Thank you. Thank you for joining.